Now we are here with Zin, and he is our cosplay guest from Bulgaria.
Hello, it's really nice to be here at Gamescom. I'm really excited. It's my first time here.
And you like it here, right?
Yeah, I really enjoyed the con. I had awesome fun yesterday and today. Yesterday I judged the cosplay competition, and today I'm going to look around and see what's going on.
He is sadly not into costume, but you will see like some of his amazing costumes. Like he's a master of makeup, tell me, what is your favorite discipline when it comes to cosplaying?
Well, for me, like the most important thing is getting like fully into the character. So that's why I pick a lot of the characters that I really like myself, and also ones that I think would look good on me. So that's why I focus a lot on the makeup, on the character transformation. So this is like my favorite part.
Yeah, it's really nice to hear that. And how long have you been cosplaying?
I have been cosplaying for 6 years now. I started in 2013, so almost 7. And I'm really lucky to be able to like travel around Europe and visit different cons and really meet cosplayers from all around the world.
Do you go on competitions?
Yeah, I usually go to like any competitions, that I can sign into. And my favorite ones, like the biggest ones that I've been, is in 2018. I won the first Bulgarian preliminary for WCS, and I went to Japan on the finals. And last year I won the One Piece Grand Prix, like one of the 20 spots. And I also went to Japan for the finals with this costume. Actually, it was Trafalgar Law from One Piece.
That's amazing. Good job. And what is the favorite character you did for all these years?
Well, I have two favorite characters. One is from a very famous DC universe. It's the Joker. It's my favorite character since I was young and read the comics for first time. And of the anime world, my favorite one is Orochimaru from Naruto. And I did cosplay of both of them. And honestly, like, if I end my cosplay life now, I would be happy that I've done those characters.
Thank you very much. And do you play video games?
Oh yeah, I love to play video games. It's actually, I started playing video games way before getting into cosplay and anything else. And that's why yesterday I did Handsome Jack from Borderlands, which is honestly one of my favorite games.
Great. Enjoy your time here.